Well, we've been in the house for 3 days now, and we got cabin fever, so we came over to the Rio Grande. There's my pretty little wife walking down the trail. If you're coming the other way, they got seat benches for you. You can sit and rest. There's looks to be a great big old cottonwood over there. You can hear the wind blowing through the cottonwood leaves today. I think the winds are about 20 miles an hour. But this salt cedar over here is kind of giving us a windbreak, so that's helpful. Looks like the scorpion weed might be blooming this year. I mean, just starting to bloom. I'm hearing ducks over there. Yep. I wonder what's causing all these mounds in the field. Prairie dog holes or something. But they're all over the place.
Wind's blowing pretty good.
Here's some pretty little yellow flowers I see along the trail. Back there's the way we came from. Looks like the wind's blowing from my back, so it's coming in out the north.
This is why it's called a scorpion weed.
Well, when you think of the old west, you think of tumbleweeds. And here's some for you. A whole bunch of them. This is what they look like up close.
This is why it's called a scorpion weed, because the way the flowers curl, it simulates that of a scorpion. Actually, this is a flowering plant. It's really quite pretty. A purple. It's beautiful. There's the head of the flower. It curls, looking like a tail of a scorpion.
Here's a close-up of the salt cedar that runs along the river. There comes a guy on a bicycle. Wife's getting some close-up of some ants along the trail here.
Hey, look at those ants. They're pretty busy. They're big red ants. They're busy.
I noticed that they, at least from here, it looks like they opened the dam up there at Elephant View, because it looks like the river is flowing right now. You know, in the past year they didn't open the dam until June, but today is March the 26th, and you can see that it's open. There's no more Trickle River. I kind of wish they'd stop screwing around with the dam, let the river flow year round, but they don't. I hear red-winged blackbirds out here today. I think my wife sees some ducks. The ducks were over there, and I can't believe they flew away, because I just came walking up here, was minding my own business, not even looking at them, and they flew away. Look how the wind blows across the water. Leaves little bitty tiny ripples. This looks like a little piece of tumbleweed heading down the river. Won't be long before things start turning green now. Here's some new green shoots coming up in the reeds. No ducks today though. When the river rises, seems like the ducks leave. It's about 59, 60 degrees today with a 20-mile-an-hour breeze. And I'm standing behind this salt cedar so I don't get beat up by the wind. You know, I can somehow see how they call this salt cedar, because it does have a cedar looking appearance on its branches. water is swiftly moving today. Here's a little path down to the river if you want to go for a swim. But I guarantee the water's cold. Another view from the riverbank. Here's some mistletoe that is blown off of the, I believe it's a cottonwood tree, onto a tumbleweed. Looks like it's been here for a while. I hear the red-winged blackbirds over there, but I sure don't see any. Yeah, my wife says the redwings are over in there. I can hear them. Look how green. Yeah, how green the salt cedar is. It's very pretty. My wife sees a redwing over in that tree, and she's just steady enough to get it.
better. View of the bird.
Look at all the tumbleweeds stacked up along the riverbank. Well, that was our river walk for March the 26th, I believe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. It always brings me peace to walk over here by the river. And until next time.